Everything is good. Hello, we're doing fine.
Hello everyone! So this video, dito na naman kami sa aming favorite park dito sa Bose Park, kung saan ay pinakamatahimik na lugar. Yung ano lang guys, dito ay medyo mahangin pero napaka-fresh yung air. So dito na naman kami. So bago niyan, before we get here, of course, ito lang naman pinunta namin dito ay bumili ng pagkain at kumain at mag-relax. Right?
Mangrila.
Yeah, that's what we do. Just buy food, go to the park, and eat.
Yep.
And aming Mikaela ay sa kanyang stroller. She's sleeping, but I don't know, maybe she's awake now. But we have to eat first bago siya umiyak.
Ako siya umya.
When she cry. I don't like when she crying or eating. So, ang paborito naming shop, guys, is sobrang, ano, sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain nila doon. So, ang pangalan ng ng restaurant pala, bakit shop-shop na aking na-mention? Yung pangalan ng restaurant pala na favorite namin na binibilhan na namin ng aming pagkain ay wala nang iba kundi Chinese food. We love Chinese food, right? So, ito yung aming wonton soup. It's really hot and a lot. We bought two kasi paborito namin to and mahilig talaga ako sa soup. Tapos yung alam niyo naman guys, dito sa Amerika malaki yung yung quantity ng kanilang serving. So in order lang namin ay isang kanin kasi marami na po guys, marami na siyang kanin. Tapos ito naman ay orange chicken. My husband's favorite, which is a lot. Hindi namin kaya ubusin pag isa lang ang kumain nito. So kaya yung soup, nag-order kami dalawa, tapos yung kanin at saka ulam ay isa lang kasi sobrang dami guys. And mayroon silang soy sauce, dark sauce, and light soy sauce. So yan. At nagbaon po ako ng plato. Plato?
Plato.
Where is it?
Plato. Plato.
Kasi alam ko na hindi sila bumibigay ng extra plate doon. So kaya nagbaon talaga ako ng sarili kong. Mayroon naman silang fork at saka spoon pero maliit.
Spoon?
Yes, I got spoon also. And I have my own plate. You want?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have it. And I will have it as well.
Yeah,
The spoon, the big spoon.
the white spoon. Where is it? Here.
Okay, sure.
You have to hold in the plate now.
Yeah,
Here.
I think so because it's windy. It's a bit windy. Can you be closer here? You don't have it in the camera. Michaela is awake now. But I love soup. I love wonton soup.
So good.
Sa bahay, alam nyo naman na nagbe-breastfeed po ako sa aking anak. So gusto ko talaga yung mga kinakain ko ay may sabaw. Sabi nga ni Habi, you're not tired eating the soup? Pero sabi ko, no. I never get tired eating soup. Kasi sobrang pag walang soup, parang feel ko, walang laman yung tiyan ko. Sobrang windy. Pero guys, sobrang kahit mainit guys, hindi mo ma-feel yung sobrang init sa katawan kasi dito kami sa sa ilalim ng puno, which is hindi mainit at saka mahangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Tara guys, kain po tayo.
You only one soy sauce?
Yes, mom.
Oh.
They have more choices. Like, let's say, if you want to get a fried rice with this orange chicken, meron sila guys. Kaso nga lang, mas mahilig ako sa plain rice. Hindi ako mahilig sa fried rice. Kasi yung sa fried rice, parang may flavor na siya doon. Kumbaga, you can eat by itself. Kung may ulam naman at saka, kung may ulam naman, like let's say orange chicken, gusto ko talaga kumain ng plain rice. Kahit walang ulam, masarap pa rin yung, yung kanin.
I hope you brought some
Tissue. Yeah, you had it. You want? But be careful, it's going to fly away.
Have to put it under the plate. Do you have any other?
What do you want?
I have to eat it with something.
A fork?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fork. Have you eaten orange chicken before?
I think we do. You order from Panda Express, right?
Maybe.
Yeah. Gising na si Micaela. Oh, they have. There's people there. Medyo maingay dito guys kasi ito yung lugar kung saan nagtitraining yung mga piloto. Nagpapalipad sila ng kanilang ng eroplano. Yung hindi na real airplane but yung yung electric na lang ba? Electric airplane that they can fly.
You have any mugs or anything?
Mm-mm. No. No.
Oh.
My goodness. So orange chicken is orange. Look at the peel chicken. Peel orange.
Yeah.
I thought it's bell pepper. I wonder. So this is what they call this orange chicken. So they use
Orange.
the orange peel. That's crazy. I thought it's just juice, but here is the orange peel. I thought it's bell pepper. I don't like chicken. I don't like orange peel. I don't like them.
Okay.
Sarap ng wonton soup. 4 na piraso lang naman pero sobrang sarap ng sabaw. Ang sarap ng ng sauce, parang sweet and sour sauce, right? The sauce, I don't know what kind of sauce they use.
Orange.
I don't really. It's possible. But and also the chicken was so tender. Hindi siya maunat. Sobrang sarap ng ng chicken. Medyo crispy siya. Where is that going? Medyo maingay, pero sobrang relaxing guys. Not coming here. It's like Arabi, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, small one.
It's more people are coming here.
It's not worth it, but okay.
Sa totoo lang guys, hindi talaga ako fan sa isang manok. You want more rice?
Yeah, yeah, you can take it. I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna watch big eating.
Are you sure? Alam mo kung marami kang kinakain na ano. Give me. Parang nakakaumay din yung ano minsan yung manok. I have the plastic for the trash. Have you used the duck sauce?
No. Maybe.
I just like the sauce. Micaela is crying. Here's Micaela. Diyan ko eh. You have to stay there. Let me remove your thing. Diyan ka lang muna. Mommy is eating, okay? I have to finish eating first before I bring it out kasi wala na akong time kumain mamaya. At ito na nga po, nagising na ang aming prinsesa. Nagising na ang aming prinsesa. Ano, what do you want? You wanna eat food? You wanna eat food? I don't think you will eat food. I don't think you will love to eat food. You can just sit there, do like this. Yeah, na 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 na. Iyak na siya, hindi na siya comfortable sa kaniyang stroller.